Hi, welcome to week 2 of statistics. Our first week we just kind of got ourselves used to the lingo, the language, terminology, some of the definitions involved with the statistics class. And this week we're going to kind of move into starting to do a little bit of analysis. What we'll be starting with this week is what is called descriptive statistics. And what that is, suppose we're going to do a statistical study. What we'll do is we'll come up with a hypothesis or some idea, something we want to look at. And I'll keep going back to a simple example. I want to study the heights of community college students. I don't know why. That's just what I want to do. So we've got this idea, this hypothesis, and then what we'll do is we'll collect data. So we'll figure out what data we need, collect that data somehow, and then what we'll do is analyze the data and draw some conclusions. So with data analysis, what we have descriptive statistics. So let's suppose I collect data on community college students. I get their height and their gender, let's say, because I think maybe their gender has something to do with how tall they are. Maybe, I don't know, maybe men are generally taller than women, perhaps. So I get the information I need, and then what I'll do is do some descriptive statistics, and that, as it would suggest, I'm just describing my data. How many people were in the sample, average height, percentage of them that were male and female, maximum height, minimum height, standard deviation, all these kinds of different things that we'll talk about. But it really just describes. Later on in the quarter, we'll talk about inferential statistics, which is kind of the foundation of what statistics really is. Based on this sample, what I'm going to do is make some generalizations about all community college students. So with descriptive statistics, one of the things we're going to do is look at displays of data, visual displays of data. And by that I mean things like graphs and charts and tables, your pie graphs, your bar graphs, that kind of thing. And what that does initially is let you take a look at, what your data looks like. If I went and plotted all of the heights of males and females, what does it look like? Is there an even distribution over all heights? Are there more tall people? Are there more short people? Are people kind of around an average with a few tall, a few short, that kind of thing? And what we'll do is look at different ways of displaying data, and also we'll look at ways that data displays can be misleading, or how you can even yourself create some sort of visual display that can mislead someone into believing what you want them to believe. Not lying, but kind of helping them see things in a certain way. And kind of with the idea of picture worth 1,000 words, with that in mind, we'll look at some things that describe data in really kind of a beautiful way, if you will. So that's week 2. Hope you're maybe if not enjoying the course so far, at least it's not too painful.